no pain. It's taking my hair away. You guys, this is literally like magic. Nifty little machine, honestly. I know a couple of people that could really use this.
This thing just works so well. It makes it so that like I don't have to shave for so long in between shaves, which is really nice.
I've been testing this bad boy out for a couple months now. I started to see results like within the first session. And now after trying it for a couple months, let's say maybe 8 weeks, so not the full 12 yet. I did film my first impressions when I first tried it, so let's go to that. So here is my arm before I have done anything. This is it au naturel in all of its hairy glory. And then I will show you where we are today and also talk about my final thoughts. But yeah, overall, I am super happy with my results so far. I'm going to continue using it. It just makes life so much easier, especially being a med student. As you know, I don't have a lot of time, and my hair removal routine, shaving, is like on the lowest priority list of my life right now. So this makes it so much easier, like so much easier.
I've decided that I was not going to use the laser on my right armpit, and I was going to use it on my left armpit. That way I could compare and contrast the results of the laser in that area, especially because I feel like the underarm, the hair tends to be very coarse, very dark, and very hard to get rid of. I've noticed some patchiness on my left armpit where I've been using the laser rather than on my right, which I have not been using the laser at all, and that is definitely good news because that's showing that it's working.
This handset is one of the most effective, convenient, pain-free, and affordable ways to get permanent laser hair removal. And if that sounds too good to be true, that's why I'm coming on here to show you my real results. So I've been using this device on all different parts of my body, but most consistently on my legs and my underarms. So you can see right here that I have had so many issues with ingrown hairs. I would shave the night before and it would be stubbly the next day. There were just so many hairs. Now, as you can see, my legs are extra smooth. I can go several days between shaving them, and when I do shave them, I see large patches of hair that are missing. So that leads to less ingrown hairs, less razor burn because there are less hairs to shave off.
An update on the KetchBeauty laser IPL at home system. I was supposed to give you guys updates throughout the time. I did not. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to have a thorough opinion on it instead of like little opinions here and there. So I'm going to give you my overall opinion, like my throughout time, how that was, and my final thoughts. Did it minimize my hair? Yes. Did it thin my hair? Yes. Did it take longer for my hair to grow back? Yes. And did it hurt? No. So overall, this laser did its job. Overall, this laser did what it advertised it was going to do. Overall, will I keep using this? Yes. So in my other videos, I expressed how I have a lot of hair and, you know, I would shave today and tomorrow the stubble will already be there. So one thing I can say about this for sure is that I use it today, for example, and I don't have to shave again. I don't even feel stubble for a week. So that is a big plus. Does it do what it says it's gonna do? It absolutely does. However, I also did use this pretty consistently. Like if I shaved, I was lasering right after. I never went a time of shaving without lasering because I wanted to have the best results possible.
I just want to show you how smooth my underarms are. Like, do you see that? You guys know I've been working with that at-home IPL laser company, KetchBeauty, and like those are my results. It's incredible.
You might be thinking, girl, there's no way that thing will permanently delete my hair like it's a computer. Also, this might be kind of gross, but you can literally smell it. Like, you know how I said earlier in the salon you can literally smell the hair follicle burning? bitch, you can smell this shit working. However, full disclosure, I've tested this on myself and I've seen legitimate results. She works.
I just used the KetchBeauty laser one more time. So I actually did both armpits this morning. So I'm actually starting to feel like maybe this laser is a hair stronger than the Kenzie.
Hi everyone, happy Friday. This is Carolina. I wanted to quickly show you guys some of my results on my inner thighs from using my at-home laser hair removal with KetchBeauty. You guys are gonna gag. I'm so happy. Hold on. It's only been about 3 weeks and I cannot wait to show you guys more final results after like a month or 2. I will be coming out with a review video being very honest about my results because I've been doing this, guys. I've been putting in the work. I've been doing the... Okay, yeah. This is my left inner thigh. You guys can see there are still a little bit of bumps here and there, but the reduction of the irritation and razor bumps is incredible. You guys, I'm not joking. This is working.
It works. It works wonders. And let me tell you, you girl smooth. Okay, you girl smooth. And I'm going to show you the results now. So here are the results after 1.5 to 2 months as I've used it. So here are the results. As you can see, I have a few patches where my hair hasn't grown back.
Hi guys, I'm back, and this is actually the part of the video wherein I prove to you guys that I am actually using the KetchBeauty IPL at-home hair laser removal. You know, because we don't want to fake the review. I want to let you guys see that I'm actually using it so I can provide you proper feedback, okay?
This is my hair below my belly button, and it just looks very manly and disgusting, but like in pictures, like you won't really see them because they're very thin, but yeah, I still feel dysphoric about them, so I want to do something about it.
So yeah, those are the parts that I will be targeting with this IPL at-home hair laser removal, and hopefully it actually works, especially the hair in the lower belly, because it really makes me uncomfortable, makes me feel masculine, and just really triggers my dysphoria sometimes. So I really want to remove that, and let's see if this will work. So YouTube, please don't demonetize this, okay? Because I'm just literally showing people. So as you can see, there is not much hair anymore.
I actually have just been completely proven wrong. This has actually shocked me quite a bit. It feels like a sensible way. KetchBeauty, you honestly have proved me wrong with me thinking that this was just something like knockoff, but I'm actually really happy with it. It's actually a really good product.
The more you do it, the better results you're gonna get. You will be able to really address, minimize, and kill a lot of those follicles and really just keep yourself from having to shave, from having to wax, from having to deal with razor bumps, razor burns, itchiness. And until next time, I will talk to you guys soon. Ciao!